Hi, myself is Shravan of VIT University. Today I am going to brief about a very interesting and important topic, that is VM workstation. Yeah, this is a very interesting topic. Please concentrate. Virtual machine is a software in which we can download OSs like Linux and Ubuntu. This is a Oracle VirtualBox from this we can download the VirtualBox. There's a VirtualBox for Windows. There's a link by which this can be done. Yeah, this is the link. By clicking on that, we'll be getting a option like download. Already this is downloaded in my system, so it's showing like this. After this, now comes the Oracle VirtualBox, in which we can perform a lot of things. For example, we can take a snapshot, we can clone the actual OS, and these are the different options in this VirtualBox file. In this we can perform from by clicking on the file. We get many options like preferences, import appliance, export appliance, etc. In machine we have many more, and by adding this, by clicking on add, we can clone the actual virtual machine, and we can take a snapshot, and this is a help which can guide us. Yes, and this is by clicking on that blue link, we can take a snapshot. And here already in my system I have took two snapshots. One is snapshot 1 and snapshot 2. After this, we can perform many more operations by these VirtualBox. Here on the middle upper part, we can see that we can delete the snapshot. We have so many properties for a snapshot. We can clone a snapshot. We have many more options, and this is a process for taking a snapshot. We click on snapshot and click on the take option, and the snapshot will be captured, and after that these are the snapshots: snapshot 1, snapshot 2, and the current state changed. By clicking on any of the option, we can perform many operations like delete properties, as I mentioned it earlier. And now we go to the cloning part. This is very important, and it's also useful for everyone who uses OS, who wants to learn OS. Clone is a copy of existing virtual machine. Clone is a separate virtual machine. Changes in clone will not affect the parent virtual machine, and vice versa. That is, changes in the parent virtual machine will not affect the clone. If you want to save the current process, then you can revert to previous process and take a snapshot. And then how cloning is done. This is very important part. We can see the leftmost items in the window screen on our screen, like my computer, Windows 7, and many more. And if after clicking on we have many more options as we are showing now. If these are the top left items which I talked earlier. Now after clicking on the Windows 7, we have to go to manage. And we can see an option like clone. After clicking on the clone, a clone of the real virtual machine will be created, and we should go and keep on clicking next. And we have two cloning methods. One is linked clone and the full clone. A linked clone is a reference to the original virtual machine and require less disk space to store. However, it cannot run without access to original virtual machine. And a full clone. A full clone is complete copy of the original virtual machine at its current state. This virtual machine is fully independent but requires more disk space to store. Yeah, we are creating a full clone. After selecting any of the option, and we should click on next, and the cloning process will be done. And we can change the virtual machine's name, and we can locate it wherever we need, and the process will be done. Thank you.